Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are tackling LeetCode problem number 492, construct the rectangle. You are given an area and you need to find the length and width of a rectangle. That fits perfectly, but with a twist. First, the length should be greater than or equal to the width. Number 2, and the difference between them should be as small as possible. Sounds simple, maybe, but there's a clever trick to solve this efficiently. So grab your keyboard and let's break it down step by step. So let's go! So guys, let's start to solve a 492 question by the name of construct the rectangle. So let's start. Now, let's read the first of all we understand the question carefully, and then we'll be start to solve it in the LeetCode camp. Now, a web developer needs to know how to design web page size. So it is giving me a specific rectangular web pages area, and our job is by now is to design we want to design a one rectangular web page whose length and width satisfy the following requirements. First, there are three requirements it has been given me. First requirement is the area of a rectangular web page you design must equal to the given target area. Number 2, the width means W should be not larger than length. Okay, means width will be not bigger than or means larger than length, which means L greater than equals to W means length greater than equals to width. Now this is at number 2 point. Now number 3 point. Number 3 requirement. The difference between length means L and width means W should be small as possible. Means the difference between of length and width should be smaller as possible. Now our task. Now what is our task is in today's video. What we want to do. So let me explain you. We want to return an array length, width where L and W means length and width are the length. The L and W are the length and width of the web page you design in sequence, and I give you it has been given me three requirements which we follow in today's solving video. Okay, now let's see, there are three cases it has been given me, so let's read these all the three cases and let's understand what it's trying to say, these all three cases. Now let's start from the first case. Here he created an area integer in which he wrote it down 4. Okay, here he created an integer by the name of area. In the input he wrote it down 4, and the output will be coming in the integer array by the name of 2 means 2 comma 2. Why? Because the target area is 4 and all the possible ways to construct it are a square bracket 1 comma 4 or 2 comma 2 but or 4 comma 1, but according to requirement 2, because 1 comma 4 is illegal according to requirement 3. 4 comma 1 is not optimal compared to 2 comma 2, so the length is 2 and the width is 2. So I hope you understand, because it will be not do like this, like 1 length is 1 and 4 is width. No, because in the requirement it has been said to me the length should be bigger than width, okay, or it will be same. Now that's why. And now let's see our case 2. In the case 2, here he created one integer by the name of area in which the input has been given me a 37 and the output has been coming 37 comma 1, if you see here. Now why the 37 comma 1 output has been coming? Because I have told you, I have explained you here, you will be do like here in the case 2. Now let's see our case 3. In the case 3, here he created one more area integer in which he wrote down 122 and 122. Means 122 and 122 input, and the output has been coming 427 comma 286. So in our case, whenever output has become 2 comma 2, in our case 2 our output will become 37 comma 1, and our case 3 our output has become 427 comma 286. So I hope you understand. So now let's start to solve this question, and this is a question number 492 by the name of construct the rectangle which we are solving. So let's start. Now this is our question, and this is an easy one question, and you will be also use the hint, but we will be do not use the hint. Now it is a topic. The topic is on about math. This question is on about math. Okay, because there is a width, length, so that's why this question is all about on math. And now we are solving this question in the Python 3. Okay, like you all the people know, all the questions we solve in the Python 3, not in like Java, C++. I also prefer you we will solve the questions in the Python 3 because Python is a easy understand language, just like an English. Okay, so now anyways, let's start to solve this now. Okay, let's start. First of all, we define here class of a solution. Because it's a rule of a LeetCode game, whenever we start to solve any question, so we first of all define a class of a solution. And this is also a rule we define in def keyword also. So here I write my topic is construct rectangle, and rectangle R will be in capital, self comma area int list int semicolon enter. Now I write here process equals to square bracket enter. Now I define here for loop j in range 1 comma area plus 1 enter, and we must define here semicolon, so it will be we will be write if statement now area then module sign. Okay, this sign is called in the Python, this sign is called modules. J equals to 0 semicolon. So now pair equals to j comma area then divided by exponentiation sign and then j. So here we are defining some math signs like exponentiation sign, module sign, okay, like these type of signs. Now if pair not in process semicolon enter, process dot append means it will be join two things together, append, okay, back main value equals to area comma 1. Now for e in range, then we found the length of our process, okay, then semicolon then enter. Now when we define it, so I write here if L means length and W means width equals to process E. Now when we do this, so I define here if statement in which I define length is greater than width and some process E, okay, and semicolon some min then underscore then value then semicolon one more time enter. Now min value equals to length and then width and then back. Now return min value. Perfect. Now here we printed our output in the last line. So let's see the running code, but first of all here I define a one comment. L means length, W means width. Now and I define here one more comment. Subscribe to code with PK, by the name of Rayyan. If here I am defining, if you want to see full tutorial with explanation, so visit my channel by the name of Rayyan. Now perfect, here I define one comment. Now let's see the running code, so our answer is correct or not. So when I run this code, so it is accepted. Our case 1, our output expected output is 2 and 2, and my also output I am coming 2. In the case 2, the expected output is 37,1 and my also output I am coming same. In the case 3, the expected output is 427,286 and my also output I am coming same. And let's see the submission code. So when I submit this code, the submission code is also be correct. It is judging, so let's wait it. And this is a weekly contest 16B. And now here you can see we solve in the 3903 milliseconds and I beat 63.81% people, and I am sharing this solution also. So easy solution in Python 3 if subscribe to Rayyan. Now I'm posting this now. So I hope you enjoy this video. In today's video, we solve our question number 492 by the name of construct the rectangle. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share friends, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss these videos on the channel. So now if you want to see my profile, so this is my profile by the name of Rayyan, so you can go and view it. And now my views is 100, so thank you for it, and I have taken 1 star also. So if you want to see all the solutions, all the things, so you can visit my profile. Okay, so now anyways, let's meet you in the next class and next very amazing like that type of videos. So for today, goodbye.